Welcome to the 2024 Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu, where I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and turn them into delicious dishes. This year we're doing a bit of a French theme. For Killers of the Flower Moon, we've got Skillet with the Flower Bloom, a Three Sisters vegetable medley. For this movie, I wanted to honor Molly. In the movie, she's one of three sisters. I happen to be one of three sisters. And there is a planting group called the Three Sisters in Native American cultures and in many gardens around the country as a result. And that comprises of pole beans, corn, and squash. Not only did I use regular zucchini, but I wanted to make it extra special and add a delicate balance to the whole dish. So I used some squash flower blossoms. Adding some crispy sage to the top is another nod towards the Osage people. And you know this tastes amazing. All those flavors combined, shallots, fabulous. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.